Oh man, I got another good video for you guys. You know, in today's video, we are going to dive into the world of cutting edge technology and career opportunities.
Great, I'm excited.
And I made this video for you.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Because I want you to know the top 3 highest paying tech jobs of 2024.
Wow.
Now, I want you guys to be appreciative because not too many content creators on YouTube make videos specifically for their subscribers. I gotta ask the question, can you make this video? And here it is. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to know my name. My name is Antoine Wade and I run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And make sure that you hit like on the video. Also, if you are new to this channel, you stumbled across it somehow, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because we drop videos twice a week, on a Tuesday and a Thursday, and we're gonna do a live stream on a Saturday or Sunday. Now let's jump into the video. Kicking down our countdown at number 3 is the cloud security engineer. Now think of a cloud security engineer like a bouncer, but only for the internet. They are responsible for keeping out all of the riffraff while the rest of us dance and have a good time in the cloud club. If you ever wondered why your personal data hasn't shown up on the dark web yet, then you can thank these folks because they are the ones that are responsible for making sure that your information does not get captured by the bad guys.
Thank you, man.
Now let me give you a true definition of a cloud security engineer. Well, cloud security engineers are the architects of the defense in the cloud computing universe. And they design, implement, and maintain robust security protocols to shield organizations' cloud infrastructures from cyber attacks. They also guard against unauthorized access and potential data breaches. They conduct threat simulations, enforce regulatory compliance, and ensure that the cloud is a place where companies' most precious data can float, and it is fortified against the ever-evolving threats of the digital age. So in essence, they are the unsung heroes who ensures that our leap into the cloud doesn't end in a free fall into the cybersecurity anarchy. And these guys can make a lot of money. If you think you have the answer on how much money these guys can make, leave me a comment down in the comment section of this video. I'm going to tell you though, the answer is $144,000 on average. The entry level is around 117. At the 75th percentile is around $180,000 a year. Now that is a fantastic salary.
Wow, that's fantastic.
And now I'm going to share a story for you guys. Once upon a time, in the bustling world of technology, there lived a guy by the name of Takahiro, but we're going to call him Taco Meat. And Taco Meat wasn't just any other tech guy. He started as a cloud support engineer, making sure online services ran smoothly for everyone. But Taco Meat had bigger dreams, and he wanted to dive into the mysterious and ever-changing world of cybersecurity. And Taco Meat's big break came when he switched gears and became a cybersecurity analyst. And this new role was like being a digital detective where he learned to track down and fix security loopholes to keep the bad guys out.
Keeping the bad guys out.
But yet, Taco Meat knew he needed to level up his skills if he wanted to make a real difference. So one day, Taco Meat had a light bulb moment after chatting with a senior who was a wizard in cybersecurity, thanks to her master's degree. Inspired, Taco Meat decided to follow in her footsteps and join the EC Council University, where he embarked on a quest to master the art of cybersecurity. The university was like a training ground for digital superheroes, and Taco Meat dived into learning about the dark arts of hacking, not to become a villain, but to think like one and to stay one step ahead. He also got to meet other cyber warriors sharing secrets and strategies to protect the digital world. And Taco Meat's hard work paid off big time. Not only did he become a super cloud security engineer, but he also got promoted twice. I mean, yes guys, twice. It was like leveling up in a video game, but this was real life and the stakes were high. With his new superpowers, Taco Meat joined a fintech company in Japan, helping protect the data of 50 million users. It was like being a guardian of the digital universe. And Taco Meat's journey from a cloud support guy to a cybersecurity hero shows that with the right training and a dash of inspiration, anyone can become a protector of the digital world. And that, my friends, is how Taco Meat became a legendary cloud security engineer. Next up is the skills that are needed to become a cloud security engineer. Well, you have to have a comprehensive knowledge of cloud platforms, for example, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and you want to have expertise in high performance computing and big data. Not only that, strong leadership and good communication skills. And to get started, start by gaining a good understanding in cloud technologies through online courses, certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect, and hands-on experience with cloud platforms. Develop soft skills in leadership and communication through workshops and seminars. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. Well, the pros, there is a high demand for cloud expertise in businesses adopting cloud solutions. Another pro is that there will be opportunities for leadership roles and strategic decision making in the role of the cloud security engineer. Another pro is that there are competitive salaries. What I mean competitive salaries, you already saw the salaries, $117 all the way to $180,000. That is huge. And not only that, you can make more with career advancement. Now let's dive into some of the cons. Some of the cons is that it requires continuous learning to keep up with the ever-evolving cloud technologies and best practices. And another con is that there will be a lot of pressure on you to deliver optimal cloud solutions within budget and timeline constraints. Next up on the list is blockchain developers. In the gold rush of cryptocurrencies, they are the ones that are selling the shovels. But instead of striking gold, they're crafting digital equivalent of Fort Knox for your digital pennies. And it's a job that screams, I could have been the next Satoshi, but here I am ensuring your cat memes, NFTs, transactions go smoothly. But I want you guys to do this. Imagine a blockchain developer as a wizard in the world of video games, but for money and important info. They work in the backstage of the internet, creating super secure systems that make sure when you send or receive stuff online like digital money or even cool digital art, it's safe and nobody can mess with it. They use some serious computer magic called blockchain to make all this happen. And it's kind of like building an online fortress where everything is locked in so tight that once something goes in, it can't be changed or stolen. And these developers are the reason we can trust buying and trade stuff digitally without worrying about someone hacking in and causing trouble. And these guys can make a whole bunch of money with an average salary of $117,000.
That's interesting. That's very interesting.
And I came across a success story by a gentleman by the name of Andrew. And Andrew, a grad student from Northwestern University, dove into the world of blockchain with 2 courses that turned him into sort of a blockchain translator. In these courses, the blockchain and finance professional and the blockchain developer certification were his secret weapons. They equipped him to break down complex blockchain concepts into simple ideas that anyone from big time business execs to tech savvy developers could understand. But Andrew's journey into blockchain wasn't just for kicks. It was driven by a genuine fascination with how data science could revolutionize industries, especially in the fintech world. And through exploring startups and diving into academic research, he saw blockchain as a game changer for any field where trust matters, like finance and risk management and supply chain. And what made these courses stand out for Andrew was how they allowed him to see blockchain from all angles, the big picture business side and the nitty-gritty technical side. And this dual perspective was crucial for his role, where he needed to switch seamlessly between explaining blockchain's benefits to executives and discussing the technicalities with developers. And thanks to blockchain's council certifications, Andrew now confidently navigates these two worlds, making him an invaluable bridge in the ever-evolving blockchain landscape. Blockchain developers should have an expertise in blockchain platforms like Ethereum and Hyperledger, along with proficiency in smart contract development and cryptography. They should also possess strong problem-solving skills, creativity, and a collaborative mindset. And to get started, you need to start by learning blockchain fundamentals through online courses, tutorials, or academic programs. Simply Learn's blockchain certification training course can help you become a blockchain developer. And this course helps developers comprehend Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperledger, and multi-chain blockchain technologies. The course also helps you to build blockchain applications, create private blockchains, deploy Ethereum smart contracts, and gain real-world experience. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Hyperledger are covered in 32 hours of instructor-led instruction with 50 hands-on exercises and 9 practical projects. Blockchain development certification is awarded upon completion. And these guys aren't even a sponsor for this channel, but yes, it is a good course, and guys, give it a shot. Another pro is that blockchain developers are in high demand across many industries. And the third pro that I have for you guys is that you will have the chance to contribute to the development of a decentralized application or applications in its platforms. Now let's move on to the cons. The cons is that there is complexity in blockchain technology, and the implementation of this can be challenging. Another con is that you will have to stay up to date on the blockchain technologies, requiring you to continuously learn and study. And the last con is that there are regulatory uncertainties and concerns about scalability and interoperability. You think about the US government restricting some blockchains and cryptocurrencies and so forth. That is a concern. Now, at the pinnacle of our Tech Mount Dome, I like that, Tech Mount Dome, is the Cloud Solutions Architect. And Cloud Solutions Architects are the masterminds who decide how to store endless amounts of data with finesse of a hoarder optimizing their garage space. And they make the digital world go round one cloud infrastructure at a time, ensuring that your binge watching sessions, when you guys want to go and binge watch those comedy shows or those crazy movies or crazy sessions, they never have buffering problems. Now I'm going to give you the real world definition. You can think of Cloud Solutions Architects as the big planner for everything that happens in the cloud. And these tech pros are like the masterminds behind setting up a virtual Lego set, making sure all the pieces fit perfectly together in a business, and making sure that they do their thing online without a hitch. And Cloud Solutions Architects decide how to build these setups to make sure that websites don't crash during big sales and apps run smoothly and everything is as cheap as possible for the company. Now let's talk about money, because these guys can make a bunch of money. Average salary for these guys? Yes. Put it down in the comments of this video. $151,000 a year. Entry level, $124,000 a year. More senior, $184,000 a year base salary, guys.
Damn, that's a lot of money.
And I came across a success story by a gentleman by the name of David, who is a senior systems engineer at a fintech firm. And David was comfortable in his role, but suddenly thrust into the world of cloud computing due to his company's decision to modernize. And initially, David was anxious about the change, but David saw it as a chance to grow in his career. And he embraced the challenge, armed himself with cloud certifications, and dove into the migration project. And his efforts paid off, transforming him into a cloud architect and marking his transition from familiarity of on-premises infrastructure to dynamic world of cloud services. Now, David's story is a testament to the power of embracing change and elevating to the unknown, which is stepping out of one's comfort zone to achieve professional and personal success in the ever-evolving tech world. Now let's talk about the skills that you will need to become a cloud security engineer. Cloud security engineers require expertise in security frameworks such as ISO 27001 and NIST, along with a deep understanding of cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. And they should also possess strong analytical skills, attention to detail, and the ability to stay updated on emerging threats and technologies. And here's how you can get started. If you want to be a cloud security engineer, you can start by pursuing relevant certifications such as Certified Cloud Security Professional, which is a CCSP, or Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, and they should, or you should, gain hands-on experience through internships, entry-level roles, or volunteer opportunities in cybersecurity. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. Well, it is a role that is in high demand because of the increasing cybersecurity threats. And not only that, you will have the opportunity to work across various industries and organizations. And you will have a chance to make a significant impact by protecting sensitive data and infrastructure. Now let's move on to the cons. Cons, you will be under constant pressure to stay ahead of the ever-evolving cyber threats. Not only that, you will have to work long hours and you may have to deal with high-stress situations during cyber incidents. So there you have it, folks. That's our episode of the Tech Tales. Kind of like DuckTales, but Tech Tales. Oh man, I love it. But we hope you have enjoyed learning about the 3 highest paying tech jobs of 2024. Guys, do me a favor. Don't forget to hit like on the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more exciting content on the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And don't forget, my name is Antoine Wade, and I run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And you want to make sure that you hit the subscribe and notification bell because we will be dropping content on a Tuesday and Thursday. We do a live stream on a Saturday and Sunday. And you don't want to forget the next video that I drop. Oh, did I want to say that?
I don't know.
You don't want to forget the next video that that is going to play. So go ahead and watch it. That's what it is. Now, peace.